Basic sentences using neither of. You can say neither of as well. Okay, neither of or neither of. Neither of us wants to go to the movies. Neither of the dogs likes to swim. Neither of the girls has a red dress. Neither of the boys can play the piano. Neither of the cats eats fish. Neither of the children wants to go to bed. Neither of the books is interesting. Neither of the restaurant is open. Neither of the pens works. Neither of the students has finished their homework. Neither of the teams won the game. Neither of the answer is correct. Neither of the movies is showing today. Neither of the houses is for sale. Neither of the days is good for me. Neither of us likes to eat fish. Neither of them wants to go to the party. Neither of my parents is a doctor. Neither of the girls has a long hair. Neither of the boys is tall. Neither of the books is interesting. Neither of the movies is good. Neither of the cats is black. Neither of the dogs is friendly. Neither of the horses is big. Neither of the cars is expensive. Neither of the phones is new. Neither of the cities is beautiful. Neither of the countries is small. Neither of the seasons is my favorite. Next one is either of, or you can say either of. Okay? Either of the boys can go to the park. Either of the girls can drive the car. Either of the cats can eat the fish. Either of the dogs can chase the squirrel. Either of the birds can fly in the sky. Either of the children can play with the toys. Either of the parents can pick up the child from school. Either of the siblings can help with the chores. Either of the cousins can visit us this weekend. Either of the friends can go to the movies. Either of the teachers can explain the lesson. Either of the students can answer the questions. Either of the books can be interesting to read. Either of the restaurants can be delicious to eat at. Either of the cities can be beautiful to visit. Either of the boys can go to the park. Either of the girls can drive the car. Either of the dogs can go for a walk. Either of the cats can catch a mouse. Either of the birds can fly. Either of the children can play with the toy. Either of the adults can help us. Either of the restaurants is good. Either of the movies is interesting. Either of the books is funny. Either of the pens is broken. Either of the chairs is uncomfortable. Either of the houses is expensive. Either of the cities is beautiful. Either of the countries is a big. None of. None of the students like math. None of the food is tasty. None of the books are interesting. None of the students came to school today. None of the dogs are friendly. None of the houses are big. None of the girls wear dresses. None of the boys play football. None of the children like vegetables. None of the cats are black. None of the flowers are red. None of the cars are blue. None of the birds can fly. None of the animals are dangerous. None of the teachers are strict. None of the children like spinach. None of the students finished their homework. None of the dogs barked at the postman. None of the cats ate the fish. None of the girls wore dresses to the party. None of the boys wanted to play football. None of the teachers were late for class. None of the students passed the exam. None of the books were interesting. None of the flowers were red. None of the cars were parked in the garage. None of the houses were for sale. None of the restaurants were open. None of the shops were selling ice cream. None of the people were wearing hats. One of. One of my favorite food is pizza. One of the best cities in the world is Paris. One of my friends is a doctor. One of the tallest building in the world is the Burj Khalifa. One of the most popular sports in the world is soccer. One of the most beautiful countries in the world is Switzerland. One of the favorite animals is a dog. One of the most famous paintings in the world is the Mona Lisa. One of my favorite colors is blue. One of the most popular movies of all times is Titanic. One of the longest river in the world is the Nile River. One of the favorite singers is Adele. One of the most beautiful flowers is a rose. One of the most popular social media platform is Instagram. One of my favorite books is Harry Potter. Any of these books are good for you. Any of the students can answer these questions. Any of the cakes look delicious. Any of the pens will work. Any of the doors are open. Any of the colors will do. Any of the restaurants are good. Any of the days are fine with me. Any of the cities are beautiful. Any of the answer is correct. Any of the toys are fun. Any of the fruits are healthy. Any of the animals are cute. Any of the clothes are comfortable. Any of the games are exciting.